One of the ways priests minister is to offer sound. In fact, in my study of sound, my study of worship, I came to discover that one of the deepest mysteries of the kingdom is the mystery of sound. I give you a few instances. Number one, whenever a season is about to begin, one of the indicators that a season is about to be born is that a new sound is released. And I'm saying this so that we understand why we are doing what we are doing. Because sometimes when God is doing something, we want to trace it to a stadium. There are many things God does in the stadium, but sometimes some of the most potent things God does are in the secret place. And so people who don't have prophetic discernment tend to be more excited when it is in the public, when it is in the glare of people, and it is celebrated by a crowd. But you see, stature in the spirit is not about popularity. It's about the acceptance and the alignment of an operation to God's will and counsel. And one of the ways God does strategic things is in the secret place, in hiding. That's where great things are born. And so when God wants to open a season, what he does is that he releases new sound. And so when we worship like this, it's not just about the song. It's the fact that priesthood is already in motion. Because the sounds we release from here are prophetic decrees that characterizes and defines the season that God is opening.